From this video, you will learn how to make $365,000 in 1 year, which means around $1,000 per day, but we made $238,000 in 6 months. This channel, YouTube channel, has made $229,000 approximately, or even more. And I will show you how you can do it without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without mailing list, and without social media following. And you absolutely need any experience of making money online. And you can do it from anywhere in the world, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and digital currency or cryptocurrency. All good? We can start? Let's begin. Well, what do we do? It's pretty much what they do. We make videos just like this, but in our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras to make videos. We don't use microphones to record our voice. We don't write script. All we do is use our software, artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description, go grab it. Epic allows us to make videos and make money from those videos by writing scripts for us using artificial intelligence. And then Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. How cool is that? No other software does it. We made it for ourselves, and we are enjoying our life and money. Epic link is in the description and is free for my YouTube viewers. You can grab it anytime you want. Before we begin and show you how you make $1,000 a day, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in the next 10 years. And we can no way achieve this goal without your help. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, SMS contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. This way you help us reach 100 million people, and you help others, your friends and family, learn how to make money online the easy way. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first clients and customers. This is exactly what we do, and thousands of other people do. Everybody is successful, you will be successful too. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone. Done? Let's move on. So this channel makes interesting videos. These are funny animal videos. Funny animal videos are so cute. I love them all the time. My kids love them, and chances are you love them too. Your friends and family love them too. And on top of that, they are made using other people's videos. So there are millions of other funny animal videos. This channel simply picked small pieces of videos from each videos and compiled them into their own videos. This is super smart, and they approximately make $229,000 from 229 million views. As we know, YouTube approximately pays $2,000 to $3,000 per million views. So to be optimistic, they made $229,000 from all these views. But here is a problem, and this is the challenge, and this is very risky. All this work, 90 videos, is not easy. They had to put some effort to make those videos, right? But any or more than one videos might be copyright protected. And if there is a copyright infringement, they will lose the ability to make money from these videos, which means all these efforts, all these views will go in vain. Make sense? So I don't recommend doing anything like this. If you want to have fun making these videos, it's your choice. If you want to try it out, go ahead, try it. But I wouldn't recommend it. Look at this screenshot. My affiliates made money. You see all these commissions? These are made by my affiliates. The names are blurred out here for privacy. How they did it is very simple. They answered questions that people ask on the internet. And they basically answered the questions of all these people. Each of these affiliates spoke to these many people, and they paid them money. So let me show you how you can do it using my software Epic. It's actually very simple. You can do it while browsing around, looking for stuff, having fun on the internet. I love to shop on Amazon. We all do, right? Now go to bestsellers and look for what people are buying. And I stopped here and I found Russell Hobbs Steam Iron Blue. And here it is, 1,920 ratings. It means minimum 5 times to 20 times more people actually purchased it. And yes, only 5 to 20% people actually come back and leave a feedback and rating. And on the average, people are so happy. 3.8 out of 5 is so good. Now, before we move forward, and I will show you how you can make money starting today right now using my software Epic, link is in the description. The most important thing on Amazon are what you see above the fold. So before you scroll below, all the important information to make a sale is already here. So the first thing is the name, the title, every keyword, Russell Hobbs, steam iron blue, 2400, 2438, everything is important. And then the images and then the ratings. So these ratings are actually social proof that people are buying. And then finally, the price and when you can receive it if you order today. So that's why when you see something like this, go to keyword research tool and go for keyword ideas and then search with keyword like steam iron, the second one, and the first one, Russell Hobbs, just to take an idea. Now I have absolutely no idea about this company or the steam iron because I never purchased steam iron from Amazon. I'm just interested because I want to make money and I want to show my customers, my viewers, how to make money. And what I'm showing you is so broad, so vast, and everyone can make money. There are millions of people, millions of products, millions of types of recommendations. Questions can be answered. Okay, so I have never known about steam iron before, Russell Hobbs before, but look at this. 14,800 people search about steam iron every month. And I never knew it before that 5,400 people search for Russell Hobbs. Here comes the unlimited opportunity. When I scroll down below, I'll find so many other things that people are searching on the internet. Look at this, steam iron Rowenta. So I will just copy this keyword, Control C, and go to Amazon and try to find out what's about Rowenta. And what I found is much more amazing. Look at this. Do you see this? This company is so popular. And Russell Hobbs, this steam iron, price is 59 dirhams, which is like approximately $15. But this one is more than $220 and over 7,000 ratings. Even the rating is higher, 4.3. Wow, this is so popular. So many people know about it, so many people searching about it. Wow. So should I just click here now and go to keyword ideas? And there's so many other keywords that people are searching with, and there are long tail keywords. The long tail keywords are the least competitive keywords that you can answer on the internet and make money. So now we found what people are looking for. We are going to answer them. So let me show you. I'm going to show you my phone. So I searched on YouTube, steam iron. Do you see that, steam iron? Now, if you search and go scroll below, you'll be on the shorts feed. Now, what is shorts feed? Shorts are a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube introduced shorts in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels, and that's why they are trying their best to make it popular by sending more and more traffic to shorts and shorts creators. And that's why you will see so many shorts getting hundreds of thousands of views. So the first shorts has 48,000 views. The second one, 70,000 views. 12,000 views, 2.3 thousand views. 54,000 and 8.3 thousand views. All these views are for 1 minute videos that you can do using Epic, link is in the description. It will take 3 to 5 minutes of your time. That's exactly what we do. The most interesting part here, you'll basically solve one question or answer one question, solve one problem by searching on the internet. But half of the video, you will tell your viewers to click the link in the description and in the first comment. Your viewers will click the links, and these are the hubs. And these hubs will generate commissions like this. Now, if you look at the funny cat videos, you'll find no links in the description because there is nothing to sell. So if YouTube flag them as copyright infringement and then they demonetize the channel, this channel will make no money. But for you, it's different. You will not depend on AdSense. AdSense is fine. free money, passive income, but you will do affiliate marketing, or you will ask your viewers to click the link in the description. Once they find your answers good, your video good, informative, they will trust you, they will love you, and they will click your link and they will buy from you, and you will make money. That's what my affiliates do, that's what we do, and make money every single day, and you can see the results. Now there is another easy place to make money from or get customers from, udemy.com. You perhaps noticed that a software is automatically generating text from my speech somewhere at the bottom of the video. This software is a speech-to-text software, AI based, and it's free for you. Link is in the description. Go grab this software, go to Fiverr and offer transcription service or speech-to-text service just like this person. And this person made $365,050 from Fiverr. Now, as you start your Fiverr business, record your process using Epic, of course, in the form of video, all videos. And when you start selling, go to Udemy and upload your record files and publish an Udemy course for Fiverr freelancing. Look at this person. He made $371,182 from selling course on Udemy about Fiverr freelancing. That's an additional $365 and $370.7 million. All these start with the softwares I'm giving you for free. Links are in the description. Go grab them. Use this strategy and start making money from today. Making $1,000 a day is super easy as long as you answer people's questions. Let me show you how easy it is to create a short video using Epic. Click the Create New button to start a project. Name your project, select vertical and click Create. Now Google the topic you want to make videos about. Found this nice article to learn about the topic. Now let's go to Epic, go to the text section, add a little headline text, a little bit of formatting, color, background color, size, fonts, make it nice, and yeah, this looks pretty good. Now go to the image section, search on Pixabay for French fries, nice image. Let's format it a little bit, rotate, make it nice, cool. Now I'm finding another image of a person thinking about who invented French fries. Playing with the image, rotation, orientations, just to look nice and match my taste. That's it. Now time to add some voiceover. We will copy this text and use the text to voice feature of the application to create voiceover. So go to text to voice, add a title, select favorite voiceover and click submit, and immediately the voiceover audio is ready. So click the text to audio section, click add, and the audio is added to the clip. Now if I want to add another clip, just click add new, and I can select all these videos that we have already created. All our users have access to our videos. And they can recreate their videos from there as a template. So I'm just going to create a blank new video, but this time I want to use this image. So just copy the image link and paste it here, and boom, the image is automatically imported. So cool, right? Rotate it, place it, replace it, move it. We need a little voiceover for this section, so just copy this text and go to the audio section, or just rewrite it first. Use the AI to rewrite the text because it's not my text, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Done. And I will add another voiceover using text to voice feature. Now on the third clip, just because we know French fries were invented on Belgium, so we will import a Belgium map. Get another French fries image. We'll add a little fire image and a little arrow to show the connection. I need a little text, so let's copy from here, rewrite the text using AI and place it on the clip, and a little bit of adjustments of colors, background, size, shapes, positions, and it looks pretty cool. And you guessed right, I'm going to turn this text into voiceover again. Because it's so easy, just copy, paste, click, click, done. Now my video is ready. I'm going to click the render button and the video will be created in the background. When the video is ready, we will get notified via email, and then we can download and use that video. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. But our goal is bigger. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years, and we cannot do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, SMS contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. This way you help us help your friends and family, and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online. This way they will become your followers, fans, and eventually your paying customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. We will see you in the next video.